Hello, my name is John Mayhew, and I am a Landscape Products Group Territory Manager for the Maryland and DC area. This is the June 2021 video update for Turf Equipment and Supply Company. Are you looking to expand your business with new services and venture into the world of water features? Installing water features is both a rewarding and profitable addition to your business. Whether you are a novice water feature builder or a seasoned pond installer, Turf Equipment and Supply has both the product and the resources to help you on your way to a successful business. We represent quality products from Aquascape and Atlantic Water Gardens, as well as have a knowledgeable staff that can help you every step of the way. Contact your territory manager or visit our website to learn more. Setting the industry standard for turf air injection systems, the Foley Company recently announced that it acquired the Air 2 G2 product line. The Air 2 G2 is an air injection machine that delivers pressurized air at 6 inches and 12-inch depths below the turf, which delivers a unique result that other soil maintenance practices do not. The benefits include relieving soil compaction, improving water absorption, and encouraging deeper root growth, all with no post-injection cleanup. Contact your commercial equipment territory manager to learn more. Up your productivity and profitability with a sprayer designed to deliver precision on any size job. The Residential Landscape Contractor Group has a complete line of zero-turn sprayers to meet your specific need. From the SPRAYMASTER XL down to the SPRAYMASTER Junior, we have models designed to navigate tight landscapes, wide open spaces, and anything in between. With fast-forward speeds, a large material hopper, and the ability to easily check fluid levels with new white spray tanks, you can count on spending less time refilling and more time covering ground. Contact your territory manager for more details. Toro EdgeSeries Reels Plus replacement reels take performance to the next level with bearings and seals already installed on the reel. Available for Toro riding and walk Greensmaster and Reelmaster mowers, EdgeSeries reels are designed for longer life with less maintenance, all while delivering phenomenal quality of cut. Toro's EdgeSeries reels help reduce time, labor, and costs while maintaining your Toro mower's cutting performance. When it comes to Toro commercial reel mowers, the quality and precision of the reels is the key to Toro's legendary professional quality of cut. Contact the parts department for more details. Are you looking for a revolutionary technology that lets you know what's going on beneath the surface of your turf so you can make timely, more informed adjustments? Moisture soil sensors like the Toro Turf Guard system and Spectrum Technologies could be the solution to your soil moisture problems. Turf Guard's advanced wireless network technology makes for an easy installation with no trenching required, and the Spectrum Technology sensors communicate directly with Field Scout soil sensor reader. Contact your territory manager for more details. Turf Equipment and Supply Company works closely with the Finn Corporation to keep your equipment operating efficiently for maximum uptime. We stock a wide variety of Finn parts for repairs and maintenance. We understand your equipment is what keeps your business operating, and we want to make sure you have all the parts necessary to keep your equipment at its peak performance. Contact our parts department for all your Finn parts needs. Turf Equipment and Supply Company continues to expand its best-in-class customer and technical service. We currently have openings in our Jessup, Maryland location for commercial equipment service technicians and customer service representatives. If you are motivated to advance your career working for an award-winning Toro distributor, please contact us through our website at www.turf-equipment.com or contact Dave Tolley directly at davetolley@turf-equipment.com. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for June 2021. Visit our website for all our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.